All right, so y'all, this is number 7 out of 3.2, and it says express f of x in the form f of x equals x minus k times q of x plus r for the given value of k. Okay, so I'm going to try to sort of explain the idea of what we're doing here, okay? Suppose I was, and just so you can kind of get an idea, suppose I was telling you we were going to take the number 9 and we were going to divide it by 2. And so what we would do is we would say, well, let's go old school division. We're going to put 9 inside. We're going to put 2 out here. And we're going to say 2 goes into 9 4 times with an 8. We subtract. We get a remainder of 1. So the way we would write 9, we would say that 9 is going to be something like 2 times 4 plus 1. So that's exactly what we're trying to do here. This is going to be like my f of x. This 2 right here is going to be like my x minus k. This 4 here is going to be my q of x. And the 1 is our remainder, okay? So that's kind of what we're going to do here, okay? But I just kind of wanted to roughly explain the idea and what it is we're trying to do, okay? So let me clean up this mess first, and let's get to our particular problem. So we have 4x to the third plus x squared plus x minus 2. Okay, so let's use synthetic division. Remember, we're going to put the 4. The number in front of the x squared is 1. The number in front of the x is 1. My constant term is a negative 2. And it tells us that our k is equal to negative 1. So remember, when it's in the form k equals, the sign has already been changed for me, right? So we don't need to worry about changing the sign. Okay, so first thing, we're going to bring down the 4. So negative 1 times 4 is a negative 4. We're going to add them together. Negative 3. That doesn't look like a very good negative 3. Let's fix that. There we go. There we go. Okay, negative 1 times negative 3 is a positive 3. We're going to add those together. That's a 4. And negative 1 times 4 is a negative 4. We add those together. There's my negative 6. Remember, this is my remainder. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to write it this. We're going to say f of x. And notice what it says, x minus k. So I'm going to write x minus k, which was a negative 1. And then times this q of x. This is my q of x. So remember, if this used to be an x to the third, that 4 is now a 4x squared, a minus 3x, and a plus 4, plus our remainder of negative 6. So I'm just going to fix a couple of signs here, y'all. Instead of x minus negative 1, I'm going to write this as x plus 1, and then 4x squared minus 3x plus 4. And then instead of writing plus negative 6, I'm just going to write negative 6. And this right here, y'all, is what they're asking me to do, okay? So, anyway, if y'all got any questions, please let me know. You know, I'm happy to help.